In Germany, Rheinmetall, a company known by many of our most loyal fans, has unveiled an icon of the future. Fuchs Evolution is the successor of the proven Fuchs 1 armored personnel carrier. Engineers remain focused on mobility, reliability, and protection. Thanks to the versatility of its basic platform, the APC can be converted into all kinds of vehicles: an ambulance, an engineering vehicle, or an electronic warfare system. The 455 horsepower engine allows the vehicle to reach a top speed of 100 km per hour. The payload is 9 tons. Evolution will be supported for at least 20 years, so there will be no shortage of spare parts and maintenance options. Next up is an American product, EOTech. A company known to many shooting enthusiasts has presented this laser sight at the SHOT Show 2023. The device is the size of a deck of cards and operates on a single CR123 battery, which is enough for 9 hours. The manufacturer offers red and green lasers. The latter is more visible in daylight and bad weather, as well as a unique divergence adjustment system for the infrared illuminator. The full version is scheduled to be delivered to law enforcement and military authorities this year for $2,200. In 2024, the civilian market will receive a version with a shorter range, the price of which is not yet known. Israeli specialists also have something to show us. Their developments provide troops with new attack and maneuvering capabilities. On your screen, you're seeing a single-use drone, also known as a kamikaze drone. With a payload of 2 kilograms, the drone fits in a backpack and can be launched with one hand. It has a range of 10 kilometers or 20 minutes and a speed of up to 286 kilometers per hour. It also has the ability to track a target and hover in place. Not surprisingly, the United States is interested in this development, and the manufacturer already has a contract with the US Department of Defense. This American creation, reminiscent of a sci-fi weapon, will be perfect for fighting drones. The manufacturer has been very clever. In his opinion, this product will be useful not only for the military, but also for the police, as well as for the protection of important locations such as embassies. The operation is simple. Just aim it at a drone and block any radio frequencies. After that, it all depends on the type of drone. Some will land immediately, and others will return to the takeoff point automatically. The range is 2 kilometers, and the operating time is up to 2 hours. The development weighs about 7 kilograms, but it's easy to operate and doesn't require much knowledge. A similar system has been a prototype from Poland. It was presented in 2013 as a stealth tank. The plan was to cover the entire vehicle with a material that absorbs radio waves, and to create a thermal camouflage for it as well. The Swedish CV9120T light tank was selected as the basis, and the specifications were as follows: a 120mm gun, compatible with NATO projectiles and able to launch guided missiles, an unmanned turret with remote control, a cross-country speed of up to 50 km per hour, and a 500-kilometer range, with an engine power of approximately 940 horsepower. At the moment, there is almost no news about the PL-01. So many experts and media outlets believe that the project has failed. But the PL-01 could be seen in some games, such as GTA Online and Armored Warfare. This Finnish project seems to have a better future. In February this year, the development of the Nemo container mobile mortar system was finally completed. It was first unveiled in 2017, and after years of hard work, the result is great. For starters, the system looks like a 6-meter container. Inside are 100 120mm mines and all the necessary material for autonomous operation. In other words, the Nemo system can be fired from the ground or from the deck of a ship or a truck. The system can be manned by 3 people and is protected by the armor of the customer's choice, including ceramic armor. The world has never seen anything like it, say the creators of the system. Next up is an unmanned infantry support vehicle from South Korea. The designers are clearly interested in the US market. The novelty was presented at a US military base near Seoul. It's an electric model with a range of up to 100 kilometers and a payload of 550 kilograms. But most interesting are its internal components. As most South Korean products, this one uses state-of-the-art technologies. The brain of this vehicle is equipped with a neural network that allows it to quickly detect and track enemy soldiers, as well as respond to gunshots. The vehicle can also drive itself off-road and is suited for MUM-T operations, involving manned and unmanned vehicles. Let's continue with the topic of Israel and drones. What do you think of this AI drone? It's called Lanius, and it's a compact and interesting UAV that can work in groups of 3. The drone can find a person, as well as perform mapping, reconnaissance, and target classification tasks, even indoors. The operator only has to give general commands, and the drones will automatically avoid obstacles. The payload is 150 grams, airtime is about 7 minutes, and in order not to waste the charge, these groups of drones can be moved on larger base drones. These capabilities, according to the manufacturer, will be useful for a wide range of tasks for both military and law enforcement. Nebo-U is an airborne object detection and tracking radar from Russia. The Nebo family includes several versions, for air defense and for ground forces. The latest versions are capable of detecting targets at a distance of up to 1,800 kilometers and at altitudes up to 1,200 kilometers. The radar will spot any missile and 5th-generation aircraft, even if they're hypersonic. It's an excellent addition to the S-400 surface-to-air missile system, for example, and its large size is not a problem. There are special containers for moving the Nebo. This engineering marvel is a firearms training simulator. It resembles a video game. There are various scenarios, like locations, weather conditions, time of day, and other parameters change, and the instructors can view detailed statistics, which are processed by artificial intelligence. Almost everything is taken into account, from trigger pressure to sight position. The simulator is also suitable for group training, and its main purpose is to help instructors work as efficiently as possible. Another kamikaze drone is here to finish our selection. It was presented, among others, at the International Defense Exhibition ADEX. The main function of this model is to hit a small moving target in a radius of 1 kilometer. One charge is enough for 15 minutes, or 30 with additional batteries. Operation in urban environments is facilitated by the vertical takeoff. The set includes 3 drones, a control unit, batteries, a charger, and a backpack. All of this can be carried by a single soldier, and the best publicity is the use of this drone by the Israeli army, as well as interest from the United States. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great-looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to Hollywood blockbusters. Pick up your unlimited ticket by clicking the subscribe button. Right now, you're seeing US Marines and sailors showcase the capabilities of landing craft, air cushion, and other amphibious assault vehicles at Camp Pendleton, California. Our focus is on the LCAC-106, a next-generation amphibious assault ship recently acquired by the US Navy. Its job is to transport weapons, cargo, and personnel to shore and across naval territories. The US Navy's partner, Textron Systems, is set to build 11 of these ships. Details about the new ship are limited, but we know its top speed is 50 knots or 93 kilometers per hour. This vehicle from the GeoCinch group is notable for its air transportability. The compact rider can be parachuted from an aircraft. Its outstanding off-road capability comes from its mechanical locking differentials and a tight turning radius. With a payload of about 900 kilograms, the rider can haul an additional 400 kilograms with a trailer. It can also be fitted with two 7.76 caliber machine guns and tow a Mo 120 RT mortar. Overall, the GeoCinch Rider is ideal for defending deployed areas or supporting the quick deployment of airborne troops. And this is the type of vehicle you might have seen at the RIMPAC 2014. During tests, it delivered an off-road vehicle from the landing ship USS Rushmore to the shore. The key to this unusual amphibious vehicle is its air-filled caterpillar tracks, which act like floats to keep it on the water's surface. The vehicle is 13 meters long, 8 meters wide, weighs 38 tons, and travels through water at about 8 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its large track area, the vehicle exerts a ground pressure of only 0.07 kilogram force per centimeter squared, compared to nearly 10 times more pressure from a conventional troop carrier. It's important to note that this is just an experimental model. Plans are for the full-size vehicle to be twice as large and capable of carrying up to 150 tons of cargo to the shore. The armored buggy Eskadron was developed by the Introl Consortium for the Russian Armed Forces. It's designed to transport tactical groups, and it's primarily intended for reconnaissance and sabotage units of the airborne forces. Details about this vehicle are scarce, but it's known to weigh about 3 tons and can accelerate up to 150 kilometers per hour. Its design allows it to handle even the toughest off-road terrain, while its low-temperature hybrid power plant enables quiet and stealthy movement in extreme conditions. The Eskadron is equipped with a 12.7mm Cord machine gun and several Kornet anti-tank missiles. For high-risk combat missions, it features a single-seat armored capsule to protect the occupant. What you're looking at right now is a UAV. The people inside are just there for backup. Currently, they're testing the AQ system, developed for the US Marine Corps. This creation by Aurora Flight Sciences makes it relatively quick and easy to turn a helicopter into a drone. The AQ system includes sensors and a control module, allowing you to fly a large helicopter using just a regular tablet with a special app. The entire system is quite compact, fitting into a container that measures 30 by 30 by 60 centimeters. The only requirement is that the helicopter must have an electric remote control system. The Storm Rider 4x4 from Plasan. This one stands out due to its enhanced security features. It can carry up to 10 passengers and offers full protection against ballistic threats, improvised explosive devices, and mines, meeting STANAG standards. The bus includes a blast-deflecting V-belly, floating floors, T-bar footpads, and energy-absorbing Terra seats to ensure passenger safety and comfort. The Storm Rider comes with a powerful and reliable powertrain, a permanent four-wheel drive transfer case, and a monocoque kitted hull. With multiple gun ports and an optional combat module, passengers can respond to any external threat. People can exit the bus quick and easy in just a couple of seconds. With a gross weight of 11.5 tons, the Storm Rider provides enough space to transport both soldiers and cargo to any destination. Since 1995, UTV International's tracked vehicles have shown their worth in tough off-road conditions across the United States, Canada, and other countries. One model that stands out is the Voyager D12 personnel carrier, which is sure to catch the attention of not just the military, but anyone needing to travel where there are no roads. This articulated, hybrid electric all-terrain vehicle is built to transport 12 people. Its design prioritizes safety, with passengers seated in the front cab while the engine is housed in the rear, reducing noise and vibration. The Voyager D12 can reach a top speed of 60 km per hour and has a payload capacity of up to 5,200 kilograms. It's designed to handle extreme temperatures, from 49 to minus 48 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its fully sealed chassis, this vehicle can also traverse long distances over rivers and flooded areas. Hybrid Kaplan vehicle with the new hybrid powertrain opens up a new era on military vehicles for future requirements of military operations around the world. That's the vision FNSS stands behind as it introduces its latest creation. Can you hear its engines running? That's what sets the Kaplan apart. It's silence. Its key feature is a hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system, combined with advanced software and electronic controls, making it ideal for the most dangerous combat and reconnaissance missions. The high torque of the electric motors at low speeds gives the Kaplan acceleration comparable to a racing car, providing a significant advantage on the battlefield. Its low acoustic and thermal signatures make the Kaplan virtually undetectable, despite weighing almost 20 tons. Here's another impressive buggy, this time from Polaris Government and Defense. Their MRZR Alpha comes in two versions, a two-seater and a four-seater. Let's focus on the latter. It's powered by a 1.5-litre common rail turbo diesel engine, features an 8-speed transmission, 32-inch tyres and an upgraded suspension with 30 centimeters of ground clearance. Weighing 1,315 kilograms, this buggy can carry a payload of 635 kilograms. The MRZR Alpha is designed to tackle virtually any terrain and task. Additionally, it meets airlift requirements, and it's sling-loadable to a helicopter. The largest shipyard for new vessel construction in Catalonia, Spain, introduces the coastal patrol vessel Aresa 4000-3000 IPV Patrol. This vessel can be built using naval aluminium or entirely from composite materials. With an overall length of up to 40 meters and a displacement of up to 160 tons, the Aresa is driven by a powerful 6,000 horsepower engine. Its autonomy and capacity enable it to remain at sea for 20 days with a crew of 20. Additionally, the Aresa features an 8-meter ramp for launching a speedboat. Equipped with active and passive defense systems, this vessel serves as an ideal platform for various coastal missions, including patrolling, anti-piracy and anti-smuggling operations, troop transportation, search and rescue, and private security tasks. The Polish company Wojskowe Zakłady Lasnośki specializes in producing and maintaining equipment for the armed forces. Today, they showcase the MCC-1, a mobile communication center built on a Jelcz truck, featuring a lattice mast and ICT systems. This center is designed to work seamlessly with other communication equipment used by the Polish Armed Forces. The MCC-1 ensures high-quality and reliable voice and data transmission by automatically adjusting to changes in signal propagation. The truck's 5-axle chassis allows it to navigate various terrains, while the certified armored cab keeps the crew safe. This ship is the brainchild of the Israeli company Elbit Systems. What sets it apart is its ability to function as an unmanned surface vessel, designed to give naval forces a tactical edge in both underwater and surface battles. The Seagull USV is invaluable for tasks like mine countermeasures, anti-submarine warfare, maritime security, electronic warfare, and more. Its creators claim that the Seagull USV is the only vessel of its kind that integrates all operational modes on a single platform. It can operate at cruising speeds for over 4 days. The 12-meter vessel, made from composite and aluminium materials, can be transported in a standard shipping container and quickly deployed for combat from a port or a carrier vessel. Equipped with a 12.7mm remotely operated cannon, torpedoes, and a non-lethal weapon system, the Seagull USV can be controlled from headquarters, ground transportation, or another ship. This giant can carry 6 MRAPs or 5 helicopters and hauls twice as much cargo as any other aircraft. Meet Lockheed Martin's C-5 Galaxy, the largest strategic transport aircraft in the US Air Force. Stretching 75.5 meters in length and with a wingspan of 67.9 meters, the C-5 Galaxy has an impressive history. Since its introduction, it has played crucial roles in both the defense of Israel during the Yom Kippur War and Operation Desert Storm. In a remarkable demonstration, a joint crew from the US Air Force and Lockheed Martin set 43 world aviation records over 3 flights from Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, showcasing the C-5's ability to revolutionize global air transportation. This list wouldn't be complete without mentioning the legendary BMW R75. This motorcycle and sidecar combination was produced for the German Army from 1941 to 1944, and even saw action in the North African desert. Powered by a 745cc air-cooled 2-cylinder engine, it delivers 26 horsepower and can reach speeds of up to 95 km per hour, with a fuel consumption of 6.3 litres per 100 kilometers. Initially, there were plans to build 18,000 BMW R75 motorcycles during World War II. However, production stopped in 1944 after 16,510 units were made, due to the design being too complex and costly. This personal vehicle will certainly catch the eye of any paratrooper. Meet Mosfera, the world's first military electric scooter, presented by Latvian company Global Wolf Motors. Designed for patrolling, border control, reconnaissance, evacuating the wounded, and more, this scooter is inspired by mountain bikes and features a meticulously designed robust frame. Its rear and front suspension, along with 17-inch off-road tires, make it suitable for all terrains. The Mosfera boasts a powerful 10,000-watt electric motor and a 90-amp-hour Panasonic battery, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour and travel up to 300 km on a single charge. Impressive, right? The battery can handle temperatures from 60 to -20 degrees Celsius and has overheat protection. Weighing 74 kilograms, the scooter can carry a soldier weighing up to 200 kilograms. The international armoured group Jaws APC made its debut in the UK at the International Armoured Vehicles Exhibition and Conference in 2013. It's important to note that this vehicle is exclusively available to government, military, and law enforcement agencies, which is a testament to its success. This is likely due to the IAG's extensive experience, with over 20 years producing armored vehicles. Now, let's focus on the Jaws. It's highly sought after by military and law enforcement agencies worldwide, serving as an ideal patrol vehicle. It's gained a strong reputation for safely transporting troops in high-risk conflict zones like Iraq and Africa. Built on a heavy truck platform, the APC features a powerful turbocharged diesel engine and a smart all-wheel drive system. It can be ordered in either right-hand or left-hand drive configurations. What if you need to transport a couple dozen fighters at once? International Armored Group has the solution. Meet Armadillo, an armored passenger bus designed from scratch. It's the first of its kind, and it's equipped with a powerful cargo transmission and a turbo diesel engine with a capacity of 5.9 litres. The Armadillo features all-wheel drive and can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour. With a 26% gradient capability, this armored bus is highly mobile, even in mountainous areas. Its comprehensive B6 NIJ-3 level protection ensures passengers are safe from assault rifle fire, including rounds of 7.62 by 51mm caliber. The Armadillo is also designed to withstand explosions from improvised explosive devices. It can accommodate up to 26 passengers at a time, providing them with CCTV, gun ports, hatches, and emergency exit doors. Thanks to its modular design, the entire body of the bus can be replaced if necessary. Here's another personal vehicle for the military, the UBCO 2x2S electric bike. With a 1 kWh motor in each wheel, it's perfect for handling wet roads and cornering. The 3.1 kWh battery allows the UBCO to reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour and travel 120 km on a single charge. It also offers plenty of cargo space, with a 12-litre center compartment and a 30-litre rear compartment, providing a total payload capacity of 150 kilograms. And yes, the UBCO 2x2S is available for anyone to purchase, priced at $7,000 excluding taxes. Next, we have the HX3 military truck from the renowned Rheinmetall company. This latest generation of the proven HX series features an updated design that immediately catches the eye. According to its creators, the new model retains the core advantages and family spirit of its predecessors. But what sets the HX3 apart? The new protected cabin offers improved visibility with a larger windshield and side windows. It also provides more storage space, thanks to spacious shelves and compartments. The rugged chassis and powerful military-grade engines enable the truck to handle even the toughest terrain with ease. The new driving assistance system not only aids the driver, but also enhances driving safety. With various wheel configurations ranging from 4x4 to 10x10, the HX3 is an ideal system carrier for a wide range of setups. Lastly, let's imagine what future transportation might look like. This military all-terrain vehicle concept was created by Libor Chladek, a Czech 3D artist, and is based on the Juggernaut 5 from the Mandalorian series. For those unfamiliar with the Star Wars universe, Juggernauts are heavily armored and armed four-wheel drive vehicles of immense size. Perhaps this concept isn't far from reality, and we might see something like it in the next 50 years.